third look. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Divya and today I am back again with another makeup video. So in today's video, I will be showing you 5 different types of eye makeups using K Beauty palette. So this is how the palette looks like from the outside and it's in the shade Wild and Free. मैंने एक भी बार ये palette use नहीं करी है for the eye look. I will be using it first time today. So this is how the palette looks from inside. It has some very beautiful shades. Let me just quickly swatch few shades. See how pigmented these are. So I will be creating 5 different looks with these palette. You can obviously create multiple of looks, but today I will be creating 5. And yes, without any further ado, let's start the video. So for the eye makeup, I will be using the Cuffs and Lashes brushes. For the first look, I will create a very basic look. So firstly, I'll take this caramel shade, this brown shade right here. Dusting of the axis, and I will apply it all over my eyes. And उसको थोड़ा ऊपर तक spread करेंगे so that आप एक crease बना लो. Make sure to go in circular motions. उससे कलर बहुत अच्छे से blend हो जाता है. So after I'm done with this, I will take this olive color right here and I will place it in my outer V. आप उसको ब्राउन कलर से थोड़ा नीचे ही प्लेस करिएगा so that वो एक ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट आ जाए. I will take a clean brush. It's E008 from Cuffs and Lashes, and I will just blend these two colors together. Now I will be taking a flat brush. It's E003, and I will take this bronze color right here, and I will apply it on the inner corners. Now I will take the blending brush again and I will blend these two colors together so that वो एक लाइन सी ना रहे अलग अलग कलर की and वो कलर्स आपस में blend हो जाए. Now what I will do is I will take this darkest brown color in the shade Wood, and I will take an angular brush and I will try to create an eyeliner with this. Now I will take this caramel color and apply it on my lower lash line. Now I will be taking the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara and coat my lashes with it. This is how the first look looks like. It is very basic. I have kept it minimal. You can obviously apply some liner, kajal if you would like to. I would like to keep this minimal. This is how it looks like. Now moving on to the next eye look. I will be doing it on this eye. So for the second eye look, I will take this almond shade right here. It is very light shade. I will apply it on my crease to create a transition effect. ये थोड़ा लाइट ग्रेइश सा कलर है. Now I will be taking this wine shade right here and I will apply it all over my eyes. I will take this almond shade again and I will apply it right in the corner जहाँ पे हमारा पिंक शेड खत्म हुआ है, and I will blend it in. looks like. Make sure to blend it. आप अच्छे से दोनों कलर्स को आपस में blend कर लें. Now for my eyeliner, I will be using the Faces Canada eyeliner, and I will create a very thin eyeliner. I will coat my lashes with the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. And this is how it looks like. तो ये भी बहुत बेसिक एंड ईजी ही है. आई हैव जस्ट यूज 2 कलर्स एंड उससे आई लुक क्रिएट किया है. मेक श्योर आप अच्छे से ब्लेंड करें. ब्लेंडिंग इज़ द की फॉर आई मेकअप. ब्लेंड नहीं करते हैं तो कलर्स अलग अलग रखे हुए लगते हैं, बट इफ़ यू ब्लेंड तो वो काफ़ी परफेक्ट लगते हैं एंड बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. लाइक पैलेट बहुत ही अच्छी है, बहुत आराम से इससे वर्क हो जाता है. बोथ द आई लुक्स, I guess they look very pretty and the palette is working really nicely. Now moving on to the third look. So for the third look, I will take this butter shade right here. It is a cream shade and I will apply it all over my lids. After that, I will be taking this caramel shade right here. And I will apply it on my inner corners and on my outer corners, leaving the center. So I will just place it on the inner corners and make sure आप circular motions में apply करें कलर, तो वो अच्छे से blend हो जाता है. And on the outer corners. Now I will take this butter shade again. And मैं ये crease पे blend करूँगी. I will take this wood shade right here. It is the darkest brown shade. And जहाँ पे मैंने अपना light brown shade apply किया था, उसी के ऊपर I will apply this dark shade. Now what I will do is मैं center पे eye base लगाऊंगी so that हमें एक proper shape मिल जाए, and then हम वहाँ पे glitter shade apply करेंगे. So for my eye base, I am using the NYX Professional Eye Base. Take it on a flat brush and मैं अपने eyes के center पे इसे लगाऊंगी. After I am done applying, I will take this wood shade again and मैं ये जो आई बेस है इसके कॉर्नर्स पे इसे लगाऊंगी इन अ वी शेप. Now I will be taking this wine shade again, this pink shade, and मैं इसको अपने आईज के सेंटर में लगाऊंगी. जहाँ पे भी आई बेस था, on top of it. Taking my blending brush and blending these 2 colors so that कोई भी harsh lines ना रहे और वो blending proper हो जाए. What I can do is I will smudge out the kajal. वो थोड़ा और ज़्यादा अच्छा look देगा. So I am taking my sugar kajal here. बस एक आप पतली सी line बना लीजिए because anyway वो blend ही करनी है. And then I will be taking a small blending brush and मैं इसको blend करूँगी. I will take this caramel shade right here and इससे blend करने में थोड़ा और easy हो जाता है. See how pretty this is looking. Liner से ज़्यादा अच्छा. पहले I used to like liner, but अब मुझे ये वाला step ज़्यादा अच्छे लगने लगा है to smudge out the kajal. And then I will again apply mascara. And we are done. So now moving on to the look number 4. I am thinking to create a cut crease for the 4th look, क्योंकि हमने cut crease अभी तक भी नहीं किया एक भी बार. We'll be taking this caramel shade, stick off the axis, and I will apply it on my crease. Now I will be taking this black shade. एंड ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड है, तो आप बहुत सारा ना ही लें. सी मैंने एक हल्का सा स्ट्रोक लिया एंड कितना कलर आ रहा है इसमें. ब्रश जिससे मैंने अपनी क्रीज पे ब्राउन शेड अप्लाई किया था, एंड आई विल ब्लेंड दीज टू कलर्स टुगेदर. So after it is blended, I will take my NYX eye base again and I will cut the crease. Make sure you take a flat brush for this. उससे बहुत आराम से एंड प्रिसाइजली हो जाता है. I will take this wood shade right here and मैं इसे एकदम जहाँ पे black shade end हो रहा है वहीं पे place करूँगी and I will blend these two shades together, black and the wood shade, the brown shade, to create a ombre effect so that वो थोड़ा dark से light होता हुआ आ जाए. After this I will take the caramel shade, the lightest brown shade, and I will apply it just before the wood shade. तो उससे एक ombre effect आ जाता है. फॉर जैसे लास्ट में ब्लैक कलर है उससे पहले थोड़ा सा उससे लाइट है एंड देन सबसे ज़्यादा लाइट कलर है. आई विल टेक द प्लम शेड एंड अप्लाई इट ऑल ओवर माई क्रीज, जो भी हमने क्रीज कट करी है. So after I'm done with this, I will coat my lashes with mascara. Yes, this is how it looks like. So yes, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And you can obviously create multiple looks with the eyeshadow. I have created some very basic looks जो आप everyday में भी use कर सकते हैं, and even for some functions it can be used. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.